Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Monday, October 22. Government has received $36.16 million from the government of the People's Republic of China to construct the Western Children's Hospital in St. James. The money will also finance other projects to be agreed on by both countries. Funding is being provided under an economic and technical cooperation agreement, which was signed at the Foreign Affairs Ministry last Thursday.
I feel certain that the signing is another positive development and demonstration of the effective and strong cooperation between our countries.
And our partnership and friendship requires stronger, healthier, younger generations to succeed and further develop from strength to strength. So, dear ministers, I'm committed to work closely with you to just make the agreements we'll sign today from paper to reality.
The 220-bed Western Children's Hospital will be built on the compound of the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay. The facility will offer specialist medical care for youngsters up to age 18, complementing the work of the Bustamante Children's Hospital, which offers care up to age 12.
Indeed, it will be the only adolescent specialist facility in the Caribbean region.
Construction will start by March of next year. Meanwhile, upgrading work is about to begin on the Chapeltown Community Hospital in Clarendon. United States-based entity Push Start Foundation is providing $1 million to execute the project, for which ground was broken last Thursday. The upgrades will include a new minor operating theater, expanded waiting and records areas, and a new laboratory to improve diagnostic services. 4 additional doctors' offices and a second ward will also be built, while parking, electricity, plumbing, and water storage will be improved. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says this, coupled with recent renovations in the amount of 23 million Jamaican dollars, will double the hospital's bed capacity. Preliminary figures indicate that Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ, surpassed the revenue collections target for the second quarter of this fiscal year. For the period July to September 2018, TAJ collected $75.2 billion. That's 4.8% more than the $71.7 billion target. That has pushed year-to-date collections to $153.1 billion, 2% above the September projection of $149.8 billion. As a result, Tax Administration Jamaica is on track to exceed the annual target of $320.8 billion. This performance continues the positive trend recorded over the last 4 years, which TAJ attributes to its continued focused compliance strategies. The Senate has joined the House of Representatives in approving an extension for the state of public emergency in St. James. It keeps the security operation in effect until January 31 of next year. Leader of Government Business in the Senate, Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith, says the extension seeks to secure the gains made and ensure their sustainability.
It is the advice of the security forces, the heads of the security forces, that we are not yet where we need to be. While we've made inroads, the threat to public safety is sufficiently clear to justify the constitutional requirements of the proclamation.
Senator Johnson-Smith pointed out that between January 1 and October 15, the St. James Police Division reported reductions of 67% in murders and 53% in shootings when compared to the same period in 2017. 70% of murder cases were cleared up for the January 1 to October 12 period, double that of the clearance rate in the same period last year. During the state of emergency, the security forces have the power to search, curtail operating hours of businesses, restrict access to places, and detain persons without a warrant. And finally, a website to assist teachers, parents, and students prepare for the Primary Exit Profile PEP is now fully operational. Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid provided that update during the recent post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House.
The URL is www.moey.gov.jm/PEP. We encourage our parents, teachers, and students to visit the site and make use of the available resources.
Senator Reid says the Education Ministry has also provided schools with practice items, registration manuals, sample test booklets, and other materials to help them prepare. He says government is moving ahead with the scheduled implementation of PEP. The primary exit profile has replaced the Grade 6 Achievement Test, GSAT, as the National Secondary School Entrance Examination. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.